Hello beautiful world, my name is Princess Katie. I want to welcome you to my channel. Today we'll be opening my May 2019 Goddess Provisions box. I have really let May get away from May. It is nearly the 14th of May and now I am finally opening my Goddess Provision box. But that's what happens when the weather gets nice, but it's been raining a lot, but it's been nice. I've been out in my garden and doing a bunch of other things, so without further ado, let's open her up. Let's cut a bitch. Just kidding. I don't cut bitches. Alright, I'm gonna give you guys the first peek without looking into the camera. What's in it? Oh wait, can you even see? How's that? You get the first peek. Okay, I'm excited. So, let me know in the comments if you guys enjoy these videos. They get some views, not many views, but some views. I just started my YouTube in January, and I'm having a really great time, and I'm learning a lot. So, let me know in the comments if you guys will like these videos. So, I'm gonna go with the first thing I saw. Ooh. Okay, this is Spirit Element Egyptian Sunrise. Took me a while to read that cursive, not gonna lie. Egyptian Sunrise. It's a body and ritual oil. Shake well to activate the magic. Massage into slightly wet skin or add to the bath. Caution, a little goes a long way, so this must be like slippery when wet or something. I want to know what it smells like. So that's kind of cool. You can put it in the bath. Like, what's in here? The ingredients are olive oil, safflower oil, sweet almond, grapeseed, essential oils of mandarin, jasmine, copaiba, balsam, and mica. I guess mica is the pigment. I want to know what it smells like. Oh, it smells nice. I want to get a better smell. I like it. It's light. So it's May. So it's like mid-spring. Check it out. It's kind of got like this sparkliness about it. Jasmine, mandarin. I want to learn how to pronounce this right. Copaiba. Copaiba? I'll look it up. And maybe that's the type of balsam. Copaiba balsam. Awesome. Thank you. So I took a peek at the next item and I'm really excited. New Moon Tea Company. This is Egyptian tea. I feel an Egypt theme happening here. Egyptian tea, an herbal blend of chamomile, spearmint, licorice, and hibiscus. Very cool. So it says 1.5 to 2 tablespoons into some 8 or 6 ounces of tea for 5 to 6 minutes. I guess that's how long you let it steep. I leave my tea in there a lot longer. Give me some strong tea. Give me some strong tea. That's a good one. I'm interested to figure out what the licorice tastes like. Is it like an anise kind of flavoring? I'm excited. Thank you guys, Provisions. I love your teas. Okay, the next thing that is drawing my attention in this month's Goddess Provisions box is whatever is in this little black tube. And it's very plain here. Let's see. Sacred Lotus Sugar Scrub. The Coal Miner's Daughter. Oh, I have another product by the Coal Miner's Daughter from them. It was, let's see, can I get it to focus? No, it won't focus. It's the Coal Miner's Daughter. Another product that Goddess Provisions gave me was like this peppermint hairspray by them. So the ingredients are organic raw sugar, MCT oil, sunflower oil, what is that? Nymphia blue lotus flowers. Oh, so my boyfriend's been studying the blue lotus flower in Egypt. Excuse me. And that's pretty cool. So evidently there's blue lotus flowers in here. Egyptian myrrh, frankincense, mandarin, and bergamot. So frankincense is known as the king of essential oils. So that's really neat. I'm gonna open it up. Thank you, Coal Miner's Daughter. This is the second time that Goddess Provisions has featured you guys, and I'm happy with it. Ooh. Oh wow. Can you see? I don't want to spill it. It has you can tell it's sugar. It definitely has like a medicinal smell to it. I'm excited to try this out. What is next in this box of tricks? I see like a pin. Oh no, it's a coin. It says divine currency. Ooh. Flip this coin for guidance. You see it? Flip this coin for guidance, picking heads, the moon goddess Isis, or tails, the sun, the winged sun serpents. Keep it on your altar or in your wallet to call in abundance until you find the perfect opportunity to pass it on to a special person. Art by the SeedofCreation, Goddess Provisions. Wow. Here's the other side. That's really neat. And then I like the part where like you pass it on to somebody else. I really like that. Flip it for guidance, picking heads or tails. Keep it on your altar or in your wallet to call in abundance. I like it. I wonder who I'll give it to. Somebody who needs money and abundance and wealth and prosperity. So I see something really interesting like peeking up at me. So that's what I want to show next. Look at that. It is a rose quartz face mask. Targeted face mask. Under eye brightening, rose quartz, ginseng, and cucumber for all skin types. You're going to gently remove as a single-use spot mask. Single-use spot mask. It's pretty cool. Can you see how shiny it is? That's exciting. I don't really do face masks. I don't really wear much on my face. I just cleanse my face and use like an astringent. But I would try it. I like it. It's even your third eye, it says. So this is like a third eye toner. I'm excited. This is a different product. It's one that I never thought I would try, but I'm excited to try it. I like that this box has a lot of new things. Ooh, I see a piece of jewelry. What is this guy? Hyuchi? I hope I'm saying that right. Hyuchi Wells. I could be totally wrong, but I'm going with Hyuchi. It doesn't say much about it, so I'm gonna have to look for the cheat sheet to see. I'm wondering if that's a stone called howlite, or if it's like a faux turquoise, or maybe even real turquoise. But that's not the crystal for this month. This is, I don't know why I had to come in this little package, Goddess Provisions. We didn't need the little plastic. They gave us a little piece of lapis lazuli. I love lapis. This is actually one of those stones that has a lot of value. It's increased in price over the years, and if you own like a large collection of it, essentially like your collection has increased in value because of the price going up. This is a nice little piece. There's not too many blues. The little shiny bits are fool's gold or pyrite. I can show you a really nice blue specimen we have over here. So here's one that has a lot of royal blues, and then here's the one we got this month. So you can see the blue in it, but it has more of like that gray wash to it. I personally love ones that are really blue with like a lot of the gold, the pyrite in it. But this is pretty cool. That makes me really happy. I won't turn down no piece of lapis lazuli. So thank you, Goddess Provisions. We kind of got two crystals, and I'm seeing one more thing in here, and I think it's one of those crystal grid mats. I've gotten one before in another box. This has been an Egypt-inspired one, I would say. The pyramid and third eye brightening mask, Egyptian sunrise. but let's see what's going on here. I'll give you guys the first peek. This is kind of like doing a tie-dye and doing a reveal. Oh, what is it? I'm looking with you for the first time. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, wow, my boyfriend's really gonna like this. I think I'm gonna give this to him. My honey bear. Oh yeah, this totally reminds me of him. This is really cool. I'm gonna bring this to the next festival we go to and put some things out on it. This is really cool. I wonder if it's infused with crystals. The last crystal grid that I got from them on this type of fabric was infused with selenite. So I'm gonna get right on into it and look at the cheat sheet for this month. And Divine Feminine. Oh, cool. So it was like an Egyptian goddess. Oh, I like it. Egyptian goddess box. And I like they've changed the cards recently. They now open up. They used to be like a single piece with two sides. But now they have the artwork. And inside is a monthly mantra. And that's really nice. It's like Egyptian women and a little ankh. And it says, the monthly mantra. The divine feminine flows through me from all lineages, lands, and times to guide me in becoming my best and highest self. Oh, I really like that, Goddess Provision. Who's not a woman who's not all about it? Like, this generation, we're all boss bitches. We're all making our money, you know, earning it. Raising families and working full-time jobs. So like, you know, let the divine flow from within all of us. So I am going to read off all of the things. So that was like my interpretation, and now I'll tell you what it really is. Because I could be wrong, you know? I'm still calling it High-Uchi. High-Ouchi. Yeah, High-Uchi. I'm sticking with High-Uchi. Maybe it's High-Ouchi. High-Ouchi jewels. Turquoise necklace. Oh, it was turquoise. Adorn yourself with the protective touch of turquoise, a stone traditionally used in the jewelry of Egyptian royalty. Wear this necklace as a reminder of your power, poise. You are a queen. Get it? That's a $38 value. Really? To be honest, I'm a rock collector. I have mad rocks. I got lots of rocks and lots of crystals all over. Turquoise isn't my favorite. I'm not drawn to it. I personally would not pay $38 for that. But hey, maybe someone would. And I think this is something I will maybe wear to a festival or maybe share and with some friends, share the well. Okay, the next thing is the Spirit Element Body Oil. Massage this oil blend featuring jasmine, mandarin, copaiba, balsam essential oils into your skin and add a few drops to a candle or bath to invoke the spirit of a desert sunrise. I really like that. You could drip it in a candle. Ooh, that's interesting. I never thought of that or heard of a product for that. Not in a long time. There used to be these oils that I would like put on my light bulbs. I had like this is like back in the day. It was like a rim that you would put on your light bulb and then you would put essential oils in it and it would like make your room smell good. So when it said putting in a candle, it kind of reminded me of that because you could put that in a candle too. Anyway. The next thing on this list is the New Moon Tea Company Loose Leaf Tea. That's this guy right here. This soothing and delicious herbal tea blend features chamomile, spearmint, licorice, and hibiscus. Pour a cup and enjoy in celebration of your divinity. This is a $10 value. That's pretty good. I would pay $10 for a nice tea. I like my tea. I have an abundance of tea. Give me that tea. God's provision. Okay, the next thing is the Coal Miner's Daughter Sugar Scrub. And I don't think you were ever able to see that clearly. Yeah, there's like a glare. I'm sorry. Maybe you can see it, maybe you can't. I don't know. Coal Miner's Daughter Sugar Scrub. Treat yourself to an exfoliation ritual with high vibe ingredients like the cherished Nymphia blue lotus flowers, the coveted in Egyptian history as a symbol of purity, rebirth, and the universe itself. Apply and enjoy the beautiful scent of Egyptian myrrh, frankincense, mandarin orange, and bergamot. Really cool. I'm not thrilled with the smell of this. It's certain oils, although I love them, if they age or if, I don't know, I don't like the smell of them. I don't know. I'll have to ask my honey bear what he thinks of the smell of it. It has kind of like a medicinal, musty kind of odor. But hey, I'll try it out. I'll try everything out once, see how we like it. Okay. The next thing is Access Our Eyes Scarab Altar Cloth. And that's this guy. Really cool. My boyfriend's gonna want that. This altar cloth uses crystal-infused selenite ink. Oh, right. On eco-friendly fabric to portray the sacred scarab, an Egyptian symbol of immortality, resurrection, transformation, and protection. $22 value. This is the first time I've ever talked about the values. I don't know. Do you like it? Do you not? I wanted to know because $38 for that first necklace. Sorry guys, sorry company, hi Lucci. I wouldn't be interested in it. It's too much money. Anyway, excuse me. So the next thing is the Shire Post Mint coin. Divine currency. Flip this copper coin. Oh, it's copper, very conductive. I love copper. One of my favorite metals next to pewter. Flip this copper coin when you need some guidance. One side features the Egyptian goddess Isis and full moon, representing lunar power, the goddess, and our shadow side. The reverse features the winged serpent sun and the seed of life, representing divinity, creation, and power. This is designed by SeedofCreation and made by the Shire Postman. And it says $10 value, but it's crossed out and it says infinite value. I love that. That's beautiful. One thing that we should always do is put value into things. I love how they put infinite value on that on here. That's crooked. Okay, the next thing is the Pacifica Rose Quartz Mask. The ancient Egyptians used crystals for protection and health, as well as for cosmic purposes. This modern twist on an ancient tradition is a fun way to nourish your skin and refresh your radiant glow. Pretty cool. This is an $8 value. I don't know, is that a good price for a face treatment? I'm not a face treatment kind of gal. And then last but not least is our lapis lazuli. Lapis lazuli, meditate with this royal stone and open your third eye chakra to gain insight about your divine purpose from the spiritual realm. It was traditionally used in Egyptian jewelry as a pigment in makeup and textiles, a $5 value. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, Goddess Provisions. I'm sorry for being a little bit late opening the May box. You guys were on time. It was me that was not on time. My favorite thing out of this box would definitely be this altar cloth. Really like this. And I'm really digging this coin. It's probably not a good look. I'm really digging this coin, Divine Currency. What made me like it more was how the value is crossed off and wrote infinite value. I think that that's really important to know that you have infinite value. We all have infinite value. And I hope with this divine, feminine divinity month that I can just put out there to anyone who's watching, who's a woman or a man, it doesn't matter, that you have a lot of worth, and to focus on your wealth and not have blocks in your money, and to know how to save and budget. And I'm rambling, but yeah. I want to thank you so much for watching to the end of the video. Please comment down below on what your favorite item from this month's box was. What I love about Goddess Provisions is that it is a high vibe lifestyle goodie box that comes once a month to your door. Thank you so much for watching.